Well, hey, everybody, I'm Lonnie Quinn. You know, statistically speaking, let's share a little bit of good news. The coldest part of winter, boom, is behind us. The average temperature a couple weeks ago, about a week to a week and a half ago, was 38 degrees. As of today, the average is now 40 degrees. We're moving up a little bit as we get a little closer to spring with each day. 6 to 10 day outlook right now looks to keep us above average. That does not mean every single day, and the next 6 to 10 is above average. In fact, I think the weekend you're dropping back to the 30s, so some below average readings for the upcoming weekend. But overall, 6 to 10 day outlook looks to be above average. And what a swing we've had in temperatures. Thursday morning, it was 2 degrees on the thermometer. Today, you hit 61. That's a 59-degree swing in, well, 4 days or so. 6 to 10 day outlook. And again, we want to point out that we are in the above average category. But look, the dramatic colors would be a little further south down around the mid-Atlantic. We're barely clipped by it, but I think our temperatures will overall average above average for the next 6 to 10. Vortex radar and satellite. Okay, there's nothing out there as of right now. Push the map over. Here comes some wet weather, but I know this looks like a pretty decent line of rain. I think a lot of that's going to dry out as it encounters our drier air. Could be a few raindrops out there. I think the bigger thing will be the fog that develops. And by the time you get to your morning commute, some folks are dealing with visibilities less than a mile. You saw it drop down there at one point in time to like half a mile. So, yeah, fog could be a bit of a problem in the morning. Take a look at the big picture out here in California. This swirl that you see right there, this is going to be our weather by the time you get to, say, the second half of Wednesday. So tomorrow morning, okay, again, if there's any rain out of that little front, it would be a couple of drops here or there. That's not very prolific. It then opens up with the skies. You have a good-looking afternoon getting into your day Wednesday. By Wednesday afternoon, in comes some of that precipitation, and here you go. 5 p.m., you're looking at some pink on the map north of New York City, so there could be some sleet and maybe some freezing rain mixed in there, but as temperatures go up above 40 degrees, most of that is going to turn to rain. Maybe not all of it, certainly not well north of the area, but for New York City and the metro areas, it turns to rain. And then we talk about the numbers. So here's what it looks like. 60 for your day tomorrow. Again, feeling like spring. 43 for Wednesday, and there's that late chance for rain to develop. And there's a rain chance on Thursday and Friday as well. You're 48 on Thursday. You're 53 on Friday. And then that drop to below average temperatures, okay? After that, real front pushes through the area on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, you're down into the mid-30s. So, again, the cold air will come back. That, my friends, is your 7-day forecast. Take a peek at the time period that's most important to you and keep it tuned right here or watch us on TV, CBS2 or WLNY 1055.